Hello and welcome to this video. The diagram shows two overlapping rectangles, each measuring p by q. The area of the overlap is exactly 1/4 of the total area of the figure. And here we have the diagram. So the question is, what is the ratio of p to q? This has been taken from the ukmt Intermediate Maths Challenge 2021. So if you would like to give the problem a go, make sure to pause the video now. So as the rectangles are identical, we can draw Q, and then moving the Q's in, we can see that the shaded area is actually Q by Q, so it's a square, giving us the area of Q squared. Now we need to find an expression for the total area, so we can equate it with the shaded area. So the area of one of the rectangles plus the area of the other rectangle, take away the shaded area, will be the total area. So we can write this as QP, the area of one rectangle, plus QP, take away Q squared, the area of the other rectangle, take away the shaded area. Now we can equate this, knowing the fact that the area of the overlap is exactly 1/4 of the total area of the figure. So we can write this as Q squared equals QP plus QP minus Q squared all over 4. This, multiplying by 4 on both sides, gives us 4Q squared equals 2QP minus Q squared. And moving the Q squared on the other side, we get 5Q squared equals 2QP. As Q does not equal 0, we can divide by it on both sides, giving us 5Q equals 2P. And to get the ratio, we can do P over Q is 5 over 2, so the ratio of P to Q is 5 to 2. Thank you for watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.